Greetings in the mighty name of Rastafari. See? Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Welcome all new subscribers and give thanks again. So may I say. Alright, so that video for highlight the plight of some other people across the world and some things that I'm going to go through and things like this. You get what I say? This is some Arab people who across, you know, somewhere in the Arab world, Muslim people them who you don't know, risk them life for save them life. You get what I say? And risk them life and them children life. Because even at the point here at the video, it shows you say how desperate thing is. That's you know, even when them get rescued or when the soldier them stopped up at point when the soldier them stopped inside, the children them was at the last them last breath. You understand what I said? Come like at the time when they got stopped or got discovered, you know, if they had gone 5 minutes more, I'd be a dead children that are in the truck. You get what I say? But watch what I go on and just remember, be mindful. It's a very disturbing video. So parental guidance is advised. You understand what I say? Watch what I go on. More like and more share, like and subscribe. Respect. But they like edit that.
Is it? اسرع اسرع فصل اسرع.
والله ما اعرف، الله وكيلش ما اعرف افك يا بنت الحلال.
فعل فوق فعل فعل ساعة ثانية البعض
فوق؟
ايه جيب شاكوت جيب شاكوت
شاكوت الشهر.
شاكوت ما في عندك؟
ما في.
جيب الشاكوت على الفرصة يا جيب الشاكوت شاكوت أجيب شاكوت أجيب وما يعطيك زلو زلو
So may I say, right at the point there, when them take out them two children, they can see from the sight of them, you can see them up on them last. You understand what I say? Just forbid, you know, see it. Because we live for the children, them, you know, see it, that them our future. And when whatever system who put parents in a position like that, who cause children have to risk them livelihood, them way there, you know, see it, a fire burn, a devil system. You know, see it. And again, to sit back and watch our system deal with other human like that, our blessing will might, you know, will come one of them day, you know, see it. We have to be careful what we are doing. You get what I say? For have remorse and compassion. Seeing? So continue watching the video and be prepared for some younger children too. You know, see it. But you don't know, come like all the mother them in the lorry them too. Somebody just tell me what go on. You know, see it. Yeah. More bless.
انزلوا انزلوا زدت القناة الماء زني خلاص زني لفي حالك لفي حالك اسرعي ولا خطصوا جواد اسرع لفي حالك ترى المفروض ما تصور شوفي اليوم الرفعات يعني ترى احنا بشر مو حيوانات ده خلاص ده روح روح حطيها جنب حط عليهم مي حط عليهم مي طلع اولاد غلا وش يطلع طلع اولاد غلا هدي تعالي اطلعوا حطيها ما تقدري تطلعي هيك ما تقدري خلي خلي هون انت روحي
Yeah. Certain them women they come out of the truck. Them two women they in the last half come out of the truck with the kids them too. So, you know, come like them are some adult guidance then. If them are a parent, them are some adult guardian in the lorry with the children them. You know what I say? So it seems like the children were kidnapped. It more seems like they are victim of some sort of abuse where they might run from. You get what I say? Regardless, but whichever system or whatever caused that, you understand me? Fire burn. You know see it, car, me don't know. You know see it. If you have to risk your life like that, move from one place to the next. You get what I say? An evil system. It's an evil reason why. You get what I say? I don't need to know the particular reason why. You know see it? Anyway, you don't know still. Say a word of prayer for the region and you don't know. Share, like, and subscribe. More bless.